class children. Up to the last classes you have learned Indian place value system. Yes, Indian place value system, what are the periods? Ones, tens, hundreds is one period, and thousands and 10,000s is belongs to the thousands period. Next, lakhs and 10 lakhs period. Next, crores. Okay na children? So according to the Indian system, we have started exercise today. Exercise 1. First bit is you have to put the commas and you have to write a number and put the commas and writing in words. For example, first problem is there beta 35 4 6 2 1. Question is first exercise 1. First question is, I am reading the question. Insert commas according to the Indian system and write number name. So what is the first one beta? First we have to insert the commas according to the Indian system. So solution. So 33 5 4 6 2 1. Now we are inserting the commas. Indian system. How to keep the commas in Indian system? First 3 digits after comma, next 2 digits after comma. That is you know already. So this is ones period, thousands and lakhs. So 3 lakhs 54,621. What is it beta? 3 lakhs 54,625. Then that is we have to write in words. What is the question? I am repeating again. Insert the commas according to the Indian system. We have kept the commas. Yes. First 3 digits after comma. Next every 2 digits after comma. Finished. Then the next one is write the number name. Mana words lo rayal. So same. This is in lakhs period. So 3 lakhs. Next one, thousands. 54,000. 621. 600 and 21. So question, they have given a number. Further we have to insert and we have to put the commas according to the Indian system of numeration, and we have to write it words. Okay. Second problem also I will explain beta, and the next problems I will give the homework. Second problem is okay, this is the number. So in solution what we have to do? First we have to put commas, insert commas. So as we did here also, first 3 digits after comma, next 2 digits after comma. Okay. So then here, see here beta, in ones column 345, thousands column 82, lakhs column 17. So 17 lakhs 82,345. That is we have to write what we read. That is we have to write in words. What we read? 17 lakhs. We know the spelling of 17. Write down. 17 lakhs. It is belongs to which period beta? Lakhs period. So 17 lakhs. Next. In next period which number is there? 82. It is in which period? 1000. 82,000. So 82 spelling you know? 82 17 lakhs 82 thousand Next 345. Okay, so this is the process we have to do. First we have to insert the commas, then after we have to write in words. Now I will give some problems that you do it in homework. Homework problems. Okay, what are they? So here some more numbers are there, 3 digits after comma, 3 digits, 2 digits after, 2 digits after. It is crore problem. 8 crore 32 lakhs 15,410. Next. Children, I explained already how to write a 10-digit number. See here, first 3 digits after comma here, next 2 digits after, next 2 digits after. This is 80 crore 52 lakhs 34,830. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 problems along with these 2 problems also. Complete 6 problems. Write in your homework book. Okay, na? And I will give some more problems later with my own. Okay, na? Do these 6 problems in homework.